How is it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. As you can see, today we're starting off the video in a different place. We're not home. I'm actually at the workshop, and the reason I'm at the workshop, if you guys are watching my content and if you guys are watching my other videos, so you guys will know that the Civic, the tires basically for the Civic were in a bad shape. I had them laying around in my house for God knows how long. The other day we went and changed the tires, and after that I went for the alignment. The alignment guy told me that you need to change some of the bushes because it's in a bad shape, so it's better if you change it, then you can do the alignment, and then it will be good basically. So we came to the workshop. I told the guys here that let's just change the bushes so that we can do the alignment for the car. So once the guy, he checked underneath the car, to be honest it was in a pretty bad shape. So I will show you the stuffs we have for the car right now, and I will also show you the car of course, and I will also be showing you the tires which we got, and on top of that we have something very special for the Civic today. So let me quickly show you what do we have here for the Civic, and then let's just get started. So as you can see, we have a bunch of parts here for the Civic. That's the rack end, that's the tire rod, these are the hubs for the front wheel. Anyways, let me show you what was the problem that we had. So as you can see, if you see here, this thing is actually in a pretty bad shape. If you see here, this is absolutely broken. These are the front brakes which are almost done. Like if you look at this, it's pretty hard and it's almost over. And if you can see this bush, like I have no idea what the previous was doing to this car, to be honest. I don't know how he was driving it, but anyways, we will sort it out. The tire rod, we have made this clean. The front disc, it's looking good. We do have the new brake pads, as you can see here, and as well as we have changed this bush and one more bush as well. If you can see here, we have changed this as well. All of this to make sure the car drives smooth. And if I can quickly show you guys, as you can see, we have removed almost everything to make sure that we change everything that we need now, because I really don't want to open and close stuff again. So that's the reason I told him, check whatever is needed, we will go get it and install it to make sure the car drives smooth. To be honest guys, since the day I bought this car, I was able to drive it, but not the way it should be driven. Like I was almost like, it was not, the alignment was not perfect, the tires were pretty bad, which reminds me of, I will also show you the tires in a minute. So I was saying that I wasn't able to drive it perfectly even, and as well as if you can see here, we are changing the front windshield mirror. We have a new one. If I could show you guys quick, as you can see, we have a brand new windshield for the EG. The reason I'm changing the front windshield mirror is it had scratches and it was pretty bad. So that's the reason I got a brand new one, to make sure the car doesn't need anything else. I really want to drive this car. I really want to enjoy the car, which I wasn't able to do because of the tires. The alignment was not perfect, and when I got the tires, the guy told me the bushes in the front is pretty bad. So I came and they told me all of the stuff, almost all of the stuff which is underneath the car is in a bad shape. So let me quickly show you the tires which we got for the Civic, and then we're gonna install this. Then we are gonna go for alignment. But before we go for the alignment, I will show you something really special which we have for the Civic, and I'm super stoked about it. After I show you the things which we have for the Civic, I'm gonna go do the alignment, and then we're also gonna test drive it to see how smooth and how good the car is. So let me quickly show you the tires now. These are the tires. I really wanted 205 5015, but I was not able to get them. I literally searched everywhere. They were not available. They were available only in semi-slicks, but I really don't want to go for any semi-slicks right now. Let me show you the rear tire as well. I really don't want to go for semi-slicks right now unless I build the motor. But for now, I guess this will do. These are 195 55 R15. Not bad. They're better than the ones which I had before. It was 185 50 R15. It was pretty small tire. So that's the reason we went for 195 55 15. So anyways, let's just get started. Let's install all of that stuff and then let me show you what we have for the Civic. Alright guys, as you can see, we have fixed the front windshield mirror. That's out of the way. They are fixing the brake pads. It's almost done, but I wanted to show you guys something which I have for the Civic, which I'm super excited about. And it was, to be honest, unexpected. I wasn't planning on doing this, but it just happened. So let me quickly show you what I have for the Civic, and I'm super stoked about it. So we have a complete turbo kit for the Civic. I will be showing everything, and this was, to be honest, unexpected. I was not expecting this. Let me quickly show you all the things that we have, and I'll be explaining everything. Why was this unexpected? So first off guys, let me show you this thing. We have a turbo for the EG. Let me quickly show you the turbo. As you can see, there is Toyota written on it. This is an actual 1JZ VVTi turbo, which I had in my house. So all these things which you see were laying around in my house. The only thing which I did not have was the turbo manifold. So that was the reason I was like, let it be. I'm not gonna turbocharge this D15. I'll just install the motor which I have back there, which you guys will see once we blow up this engine. So anyways, this is an actual OEM turbo for 1JZ VVTi, which we'll be installing in a Civic, which is pretty rad. I don't know how will it work, how will it sound, but I'm super excited about it. And of course, you also need a downpipe when you want to install a turbo. So this is also a 1JZ VVTi downpipe, OEM downpipe, which was laying around in my house. Where did I get these parts from? How did I get them? I will also be telling you that, so don't worry about it. I'll be explaining that in a minute. The next thing we have, if you want to turbocharge your car, of course you need an intercooler. This is, I think, a 2.5-inch intercooler, which is totally fine for the Civic. Let's see how much it can make. I'm pretty excited. The only thing which was missing was this bad boy right here, turbo manifold. A friend of mine told me that he has the whole kit and he was selling it. I did not want the whole kit because I have almost all the parts here to make this D15 a turbocharged. So I told him I only need the manifold, and to be honest guys, I got this manifold for $25. That's like, I'm making, I think this will be the world's cheapest turbo build ever. I just spent $25 to get this and all the other stuff which I had. A friend of mine gave me. If you remember the JZX in one of my videos, the JZX which I was sitting in, he gave me the turbo, the downpipe and the intercooler, because he went for a bigger turbo, bigger intercooler to make more horsepower, obviously. So it was with him, and he told me if you need this, you can have it for free. He gave it to me for free, and it was laying around in my house. I had no idea what I'm gonna do with it. As soon as my friend hit me up, I told him I need the manifold so I can use the 1JZ turbo on a Civic, and I'm super excited about it. I want to see how it will work. It's amazing. It will be amazing. The last thing is the intercooler piping, of course. This, I'm not sure if I bought it or I had it from before, so I cannot say. I'll have to see if I've bought these. Even if I bought these, I think it was way back for something else which I did not use. So these are the some of the intercooler pipings which we have. So basically we have all the stuff we need, almost all the stuff we need to make this D15 a boosted D15. I'm super excited about it because I really wanted to boost this car, but I was kind of thinking to go for eBay turbo build or no. I was kind of hesitating. Thank God my friend hit me up, gave me the manifold. Rest we can figure out what we can do. I'm also gonna make a custom exhaust for this once we install the turbo, so we have a lot of crazy content coming, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. As you can see, they're working on the car. It's almost done. We are going to go for the alignment. So guys, let them finish this thing. I'm gonna do the alignment, and of course we are gonna test drive the Civic and see how smooth it is after changing all the things in there. But the most thing which I'm excited about is this, because we are gonna boost the D15 and push it to its limit. Alright guys, we are back. Sorry, the camera died, so I wasn't able to film when they were doing the alignment. The weather is actually very nice today and it's a bit windy, so I'm sorry if you guys can hear the wind. Sorry about that. But anyways, we have fixed the car. Now I can actually drive the car and enjoy it, and soon this car will be boosted. But let me quickly show you the car, and then we are actually gonna go for a drive. The car is looking good. We also added that sticker, don't mind that. We'll also, once the car is boosted, I'm gonna be telling you what I'm gonna do with the car once I'm driving it and talking to you guys. But as you can see, the car is good. Tires are new, alignment has been done. The car is almost ready. Now the only thing is we have to boost it, which was really unexpected, as I said previously, but it is what it is. I wanted to boost this car. I want to push it to its limit. Even if it blows up, I don't really mind because I do have another motor. Once it blows up, I'm gonna be revealing the engine which I have for the Civic. Anyways, let's go for a drive and see how the car drives. It's actually very smooth. I'm actually able to enjoy the car. I wasn't able to enjoy it before, but the alignment was bad, as I said earlier, and the tie rods and the bushing or underneath were all gone. So now we have fixed it. I can actually drive it. Let me floor it a bit. God damn, this car is so slow, man. This car is really slow. The kilometer for this, it doesn't show the speed, but I really don't care about that because I'm gonna get a new Hondata where I can connect my phone to it and it will show me everything. This D15 is really slow, really slow. Like I think it's 70 HP, 60-70 HP, and when we add that spoolie snail, we're gonna give a bit of life to this D15. I hope the engine doesn't blow up when we install the turbo kit, because I want to enjoy for a bit. We will start the process, I think, next week or the week after. About the Skyline, a lot of you guys have messaged me, a lot of you guys have been asking me what happened. I told you guys 2 weeks, but it took 2 months. I think it's been 1 month now. The body kit is installed. I have the video ready for you guys. So after this video, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to be revealing the body kit for the Skyline. And after that, we're going to start the turbo build series for the Civic. Let me just floor a bit, you know. This car is so slow. Oh man, I can't wait to install the turbo kit, man. This D15 is really slow, dude. What the hell? Once more, and then we're gonna end the video. before we end this video, guys, one more thing I would like to share with you guys is I'll be fixing the interior for this car as well soon. Not maybe once the turbo kit is installed. After that, I'm gonna send it for the fixing interior, and then let's see when the D15 blows up so we can install the other engine which I already have. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sticking till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are excited as I am for the turbo build series, because I'm super stoked and super excited. If you haven't already subscribed, guys, please consider subscribing, because there are a lot of great content coming your way. Turn on those notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.